Alright, YouTube, so basically with the Toyota, did the thermostat, still got no heat. Fluid is good. The temperature is normal, so that means the thermostat is working. I did a physical check already on the heating core, the 2 heater hoses, which the heater hoses is in the vehicle down here. Alright, let me see if I can show you right here. So both of them was hot, but I have this, I don't know, it's a name for this. So basically, this right here checks temperature. So see, this is getting warm. So you can see the temperature right now on this. So it's supposed to be getting hotter. See? So basically, it's checking the temperature of the hose. So different points of this, the temperature goes up. Right? So, as I said, the heater hose is back here, right? So, as I said, I did a physical check with my hand, which you gotta have skinny hands to get in here, people. So this is the one that runs to the heating core, basically, and does the rotation. So, I fill the top one, still hot. The bottom one, still hot also. But, as I said, I'm actually gonna take this right here and I'm gonna point it to the hose. Hold on with the light. Let me see something. Let me get infrared. So right now it's on the upper hose. So you see the number. So the number is going up, right? And now I'm gonna point it at the lower hose. Alright, let me give it a good shot. So you see the numbers going up. So this is a lower heater hose. Right? I'm trying to get a good shot at it. Trying to be steady. Right? So that's a lower and that's the upper. So the upper look like it's producing more, it's more hot than the lower for some reason. This is the lower again. So they both getting hot, as I said. So once I felt it, physically felt it, both getting hot. Right? So then I'm gonna check the lower radiator hose, which I'm gonna put the knee on it. And see the temperature, right? Now we're going to do a check on where the temperature gauge is at in the vehicle, because I just actually started running it. So it's looking, if you look at it here, it's moving, right? It's right here, the C and the H. So it's basically almost at normal running temperature, right? Now, I just want to show you something, right? I'm going to put the heater on, right? On hot, right? Let's give it some air. We're gonna check that. 60. This is what it was yesterday. Blowing cold air, 60. Right? So y'all see, keep it pointing. So y'all see it's blowing at 60, 61. Right? So what I'm gonna do right now, right? I'm gonna put the AC on, right? And we're gonna get the temperature when the AC's on. So we're gonna put it on cold, right? And I can feel it already, right? So it's on cold, and I'm just gonna raise it up, and I'm gonna show y'all the number drop. 49, see, it's getting frigid. 48, 47, so the AC's working, right? Let's see what it is, 44. AC's working, right? So we got the AC working, right? Let's get it off of AC. Let's put it back on heat, right? So check the variables, right? AC's working, right? We're getting flow from the upper and the lower heater hose, which I'm gonna check again to show y'all because it's been running for a while, right? So I'm just gonna do the upper. And then look at the temperature of the upper. So now it's at 140, 140, right? Now I'm gonna try to grab the lower one from an angle, right? So this is the lower one here from an angle. The lower one is not getting as hot as the upper for some reason. I don't know if my angle is weird, but it's not getting as hot as the upper, but it's getting hot. 88, 89, 91, 92. And let's go to the upper again. Upper's up there in 140, 141. I don't know if that's an issue with one getting more hotter than the other one with the flow, but it's not cold, but it's hot. Let me check it again. Let me try to get a better angle. Let me see if I can get a better angle of the hose, because I can't really, let me see if I can get it. I can't really see it. Nope. Right here, 70, 82, 83, 85, 86. Then I'm over to the top one again. I'm getting 140, 139. So that's the reading I'm getting from the top. The lower is a little bit, is not as hot. So I gotta research that. It's not the same exact temperature, but you know, it's not cold. So another thing could be a possible thing. I researched online, they're talking about the blend door actuator, right? So on this car, the blend door actuator is located here, right? It's underneath here. So that'll be my next culprit, what I'll check. The blend door actuators may be shut in the cold position, which is not allowing the heat to come in. So I think that's actually maybe the problem for this vehicle. So I'm basically gonna diagnostic that problem right there, and hopefully that'll be the solved issue of this no heat, which I'm gonna show y'all again. What we got, 56, 57. It was actually a little bit hotter, it was at 60, but on this vent right here, it's going pretty, I think, room temperature. So, alright, so I'm gonna end this video off because I was going back and forth with this, you know what I mean? We gotta get the backup together. So just wanted to show y'all the trials and tribulations of these swaps. It don't be easy. Like, you know, you try to do one thing, you get this is the problem, and then it's not the problem. So y'all ready to see the VTTI V16 Toyota Solara. Change the thermostat, thinking that it would have helped me with the heat. It didn't, and became another issue. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, once again, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, like for MykeLS. Catch you.